Here's linear rational form part 2. This is case 3 of 3. So case 3 looks like this. You have y prime equals a1x plus b1y plus c1 over a2x plus b2y plus c2. And this one, a little bit longer than case 2 but very similar. First thing you want to do is solve for the intersection of the two linear equations. That'll give you a point x0, y0. And then you want to substitute big X equals x minus x0, big Y equals y minus y0. That'll get rid of the coefficients on the end here. So we've now reduced it into case 2, and you can solve it just like we did with case 2. Don't forget, however, to back substitute, because we did do this substitution in here. You have to get it back into little x at the end. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. So here's an example for us to look at. We have y prime equals x plus 2y plus 3 over 2x plus 2y plus 2. So first thing we're going to do, use a system of equations. We're going to solve that intersection point. You get y equals negative 2, x equals 1. So next, here's our point, x0 equals 1, y0 equals negative 2. We're going to sub those in using our substitution. Big X equals x minus x0, big Y equals y minus y0. We just rearrange that a little bit. Little x becomes big X plus 1, little y becomes big Y minus 2. And after a little bit of simplification, we get this. Y prime equals 2y plus x over 2y plus 2x. And if you watch part 1, you'll see that this is the exact example we did in case 2 of part 1. So I'm not going to solve it again, I'm just going to show you the end answer. If you want to see how to solve it, I'll put a link in the bottom here, down there, for part 1. That's what our final answer looked like. And now, it's exactly the same as in case 2, except we have big X and big Y in here. So now we just have to reduce them, back substituting, using this one up here. And we get this monstrosity, and I have a problem right here. These should not be squared, those should just be ones. I'm sorry about that, but yeah, that's the final answer. Pretty much the same as case 2 with one little extra step.